hurry up.
Lou, I really don't know if this is a good idea. Where the hell are we going?
What, you're still scared of your aunt? You're all grown up now, girl. Wake up.
I'm not scared. It's just, I really want to know the truth.
You will. Come on, this is the place. Okay, everything is prepared. We need to recite a prayer now.
How do you know how to summon the horned man exactly? Is there like a recipe for summoning him?
First of all, the horned man is a god, not a demon. Second, yes, I got the god summoning book for Christmas last year.
Lou, I'm serious.
Come on, I'll show you later.
You're really acting weird, even for you.
And yet you're still here with me. Quit talking. Close your eyes and focus. Great horned God who watches over us, give us the strength. And guide us on the paths of this fleeting world. Open our eyes and show us the truth. Give us the strength to... Wait! Elena, no! I didn't know that it would... I didn't...
Lou? Where are you? Oh, stop messing around. I'm starting to think this whole horned man thing wasn't such a great idea. Looks like we're not in Kansas anymore. Fuck, Lou, what have we done? Hell, what is this place?
Hello, Elena. It's nice to finally meet you.
Who the fuck are you?
Just a guide through hell.
I don't remember booking a tour.
Rude. I thought you'd want help. Your friend seemed lost when I saw her here.
You've seen Lou?
She went deeper in, to the right. I suggest you find her before something else does. My name's Adam, by the way.
Well, you already know mine. I gotta go now. Lou? Lou? Is anyone there? Great, power's out. Let's see if I can fix this damn thing. You again? Do you just appear whenever the ambiance gets really creepy?
Where silence gathers, so do those who listen.
Okay, vague and unsettling. You seen Lou?
She passed through here. The ones that dwell here, they noticed her, as they will notice you.
The ones who... Wait, what do you mean noticed?
They do not see, but they hear the scrape of boots, the rattle of breath, the panic in a heartbeat.
So they're blind, but they can still hear me. Got it.
Sound is a flare in the dark. Walk softly, lay low, and you become a whisper. Race, and you become a drumbeat.
So, crouching it is. And no running. Lovely.
Go, Elena, and do be careful. It would be a shame if you died so early.
How encouraging.
I'm not trying to be encouraging. I'm just being practical. Good luck.